right now.
No.
Why should you have 2 s'mores instead of 1?
Because
we already told you. And now you're just trying to record it.
Our freedom.
And Cece already had 2.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, and you've been laying around the house doing nothing.
How about we take
And
a
you have
vote on
soda
it?
every day.
Let's vote. Who votes we have another s'more? Raise your hand.
Oh!
All opposed with the same sign.
I already had
guess what?
2.
It's easy we
This
raise it.
isn't sacrament meeting.
Exactly. You didn't even raise your hand against it.
Actually, she
Heidi,
did.
she
She's
was
raising
raising
her
her
hand.
hand the whole time.
Yeah, she's been raising it the whole time.
Yeah, so she agreed with that.
What do you think, David?
I think they're all
We
going to
know
have
where you're
tummy
sleeping.
aches.
I think
We
they're
know
going
where
to
you're sleeping.
be pukey,
Oh, yeah.
and they're going to
Mom,
puke
it's
up.
their choice.
No, it becomes my problem if you puke.
We'll clean
When
it up.
was the last time I puked?
I don't
It's been a
know.
while.
Last time you had 2 s'mores.
Girls' camp?
And she
Last
didn't
time I
puke.
puked, I think I had.
Anybody want a marshmallow?
No.
I want to puke too.
Eating a marshmallow would make me puke.
Don't
It's
touch
so
it, please.
fat.
Rue.
Eating chocolate and graham cracker. Yummy.
Delicious.
Trying to do it like yours.
I'm gonna have another s'more.
I cannot lie.
I am having another s'more.
And
you're
I'm
going to
having
like it.
another s'more.
She's gonna love it.
She doesn't have to even like it.